Hello everyone. So today we'll evaluate a integral, okay, double integral using change of variable. So evaluate this integral, okay, 0 to 1, this is 0 to root over of 1 minus x square plus y square dy ds. Of course we can evaluate without using the change of variable also, but using change of variable, first what we will do, first we will draw this region where we have to evaluate this integral. The region is, so D is the region, and how D is the look like region, it is a x comma y such that x is varying from where to where, x is varying from 0 to 1 and y is varying from 0 to square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so if you try to draw the region, how it look like, okay, so if you draw this region, so x is from, this is xy plane assume, so x is from 0 to 1 and y is varying from 0 to this one, so this is actually y equal to square root of 1 minus x square. Since see x square plus, if you square both sides, x square plus y square equal to 1, but here you are getting only plus sign, so y must be positive, so it should be in this region, in this area only. So this is the region, but still x is also given, it is greater than equal to 0, so our the region is, D region is this region. Okay, we want to integrate our function x square plus y square in this region. Okay, so what we will do, we will try to switch in polar coordinate and we will do. Can we write D in polar coordinate? Of course we can write D in polar coordinate. We are giving D star. Okay, what we will do now, switch to polar coordinate. Okay, switch to polar coordinate, what we will get, so can you write in polar coordinate? Yes. How D star will be look like? D star is assume that it is a polar coordinate, so how it is look like D star? So D star, you can see that D star means, so this is our angle is varying from 0 to 90 and R is varying from 0 to 1. Okay, so here R comma theta such that R is varying from 0 to 1 and theta is varying from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, if it is 2 pi, then it will be, you will get full circle. Okay, since you are getting here, now can you draw this region? Okay, we'll draw this region, how this region will look like in r theta plane. Okay, this is r, this is theta. Okay, r is from 0 to 1 and theta is the region from 0 to 2 pi. So this is our D star. Okay, now the change of variable formula is telling that, okay, the change of variable formula is telling that, means if you have transfer this into polar coordinate or whatever the coordinate system, you are switching from one coordinate system to another coordinate system, how the integral, so if you will evaluate this integral over D, okay, whatever it is, this x square plus y square something, okay, dx dy, okay, this will be equivalent to integration over D star, and here it is r dr d theta. Okay, of course this r is not r, instead of r I will write Jacobian. Okay, the absolute value of Jacobian, means this is dou xy divided by dou r theta and this is the modulus value of absolute value of this one, and whatever, okay, of course it is f. Okay, so this is the change of variable formula, and according to that you have to write r theta in terms of r theta also. Okay, so now we'll try to find out this one. So now you see this one, we changed our switch to polar coordinate, means what we have done here, we have done x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, right? So first we will calculate this factor Jacobian. What we will get? Dou xy divided by dou r theta. What you are getting? This is the determinant of this one. Dou x by dou r, dou y by dou r, and dou x by dou theta, dou y by dou theta. Okay, this is the determinant. So what you will get? X, if you are putting x equal to r cos theta, means r only cos theta. Here you are getting only x by theta, means minus r sin theta. Here you are getting y, means dou y by dou r, so sin theta. Dou y by dou theta means r cos theta. Okay, if you are calculating the determinant, what you are getting? R cos square theta plus r sin square theta, and you know that this is equal to r cos square theta plus sin square theta, and this is nothing but 1, so this is r. And if you take the absolute value of this one, since it is positive, absolute value also same, dou x r divided dou r comma theta, the absolute value is also r. Since it is a positive, so absolute value, because here absolute value is needed. If minus, it could have come minus, then you have to put minus. Okay, okay, now you got, so our final integral become okay, let me remove this. Okay, so our integral become, finally we will put then our this integral, so integration, so integration over this one d x square plus y square dx dy is same as integration over d star. Okay, d star, and what will be the value of x square plus y square? X means r cos theta. Okay, x square plus y square, we can see that this is a r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Okay, this is nothing but r square, so we will simply put r square, and dx dy, instead of, I told that we will put dr d theta and this Jacobian thing. Okay, what is the Jacobian? Jacobian, we are getting r, the absolute value of Jacobian is r, so you are putting here r dr d theta. Now you see our integration become very much simpler. So with this rectangular region, it is easy to integrate this one. So what is the limit? Here r is varying from 0 to 1, theta is varying from 0 to 2 pi. Sorry, it is not 2 pi, it is pi by 2. Okay, so theta, r is varying from 0 to 1, theta is varying from 0 to pi by 2, so this will be r cube dr d theta. Okay, now first we will integrate this one with respect to r, so this will be pi by 2, this will be what, r 4 by 4, right, r 4 by 4, and evaluated 1 0, and this will be again d theta, so this will be 0 to pi by 2, So if you put 1, this will be 1 by 4. If you will put 0, then it will be 0 only. So 1 by 4 d theta. So again, so 1 by 4 theta, and you will evaluate at pi by 2 to 0. If you put 0, it will be 0. Pi by 2, then it will be pi by 8. Okay. So the final integral will be, this integration value is 0 to 1, 0 to root over 1 minus x square plus y square dx dy equal to pi by 8. Okay. Hope you see in the next time. We will discuss some other than polar coordinate, how we can change the variable, and our integral will be simpler. Okay.